Sawtooth Wave Generation. For Sawtooth Wave Generation, we'll define our module name, clock, reset, deck. Clock and reset are our inputs, deck is our output. We have taken 0th bit as MSB and 7th bit as LSB of our deck. Again, we have defined temp as our temporary variable, which is of 4 bits, initialized to 0. Counter, this time we have taken counter from 0 to 7, that is 8 bits long, where 0th bit is MSB and 7th bit is LSB. We have written this block to divide our clock for clock division. Then always at posage of temp 1, we can take temp 3, 2 or 1. The only difference it is going to make to our output is it will change the speed of the output. Begin. If reset is 0, counter is equals to 0, 8-bit long 0. Again, reset is active low here. Else, counter is equals to count plus 1. End. So when reset is 1, counter should increment by 1. It should keep on incrementing by 1. At the end, deck should be assigned to counter and module. That means you will start getting your output from 0 and to the maximum peak value, and then back to 0 and to the maximum value, back to 0 maximum value, and this is nothing but your sawtooth wave.